What's going on, everyone? It's Ben with Buy It, Break It, Fix It, and in this video I just wanted to show you the process of me assembling a scale garage made out of wood. Here I'm starting the floor with one of the floor joists in, and here's the floor all complete. And I'll show you how I connected these things, and eventually I'll be in this video and show you a couple little things of how I did. I also did a time lapse of here's the assembly of the walls. I did a time lapse of putting up the walls with the bricks, and I cut a bunch of little pieces of board that resemble like cinder block size. I scaled it down and cut it to the size of cinder blocks. So I did some time lapse of that, so that'll be in the video here. And then here I'm just checking the size to make sure the truck and the lift fit in there and everything. So enjoy the time lapse, and I'll see you at the end of the video. I got these pieces cut. I set up a little jig out here on the chop saw, and I just measured from the blade to the end of this, put a clamp on the end of here. That way every measurement's going to be cut the same, exactly perfect. So that's what we have. I might have to cut some more. I'm not sure if this is going to be enough or not, but right now I'm just taking them and rounding the edges, because some of them split and have little splinters coming off of them, little hairs and whatnot. It's just easier. So all right, I'm gonna keep on doing that. All right, so I've been working on these. This is a whole nother batch. Here's the first batch was done. There's a little over 300 here. I know there's 300 here in the stack. This is the over 300. It's probably something like 320, something like that now. But I'm getting there. I'm gonna go ahead and finish these up. I'll probably be somewhere around the 600 mark, 500, somewhere around that. But I'm gonna go ahead and do these since I already had them cut. I cut the rest of the 1x4 that I had. I did the whole 1x4. So this is what one 1x4 will yield if you cut it. This is what, a 1/16 of an inch or an 1/8 of an inch? Yeah, an 1/8 of an inch. So I'll continue on. I'll get this done, and we'll see if we can start getting this stuff put up on the walls. I got a fan blowing behind me. We're just gonna do this in the garage. It's a nice day out, so we're gonna stay out in the weather. And well, not out in the weather. We're not gonna be out in the sun, but. All right, yeah, let's get started. This is the back wall. This is the side wall over here. That's the bottom. So I have it turned up on the side, because we're just gonna go ahead and start gluing these down. I'm gonna use this as a spacer. It's just a metal ruler. And we're just gonna put that in between each one and line up the spaces. All right, we're gonna do a time lapse of this, so let's get to it. I need to cut some more of these up. I have 2 left and I saved those for a template. So there's 559, I believe it. I don't know how many it is, but it's close to that. I think I might have tossed 1 or 2. So I'm gonna get some more of these cut up. Alright, so there you go. It's all done. This is just gonna wrap up the video for this. So I had a mess up. I had to try to fix it. I guess here we'll try to do the loft, because it is gonna have a little bit of a loft. I don't know how big, but yeah, there's a couple rows over there. What I needed to do here's where the problem lies. The problem was like if you do masonry work, you set the corner first. That way you have rows lining up for each side. So you set all your corners, and then you do your corner in like 3, and then that way you can do like 2 and then 1, and then you just keep building your corner up first. I should have done that, and everything would have worked out, because that's the problem I was running into. I would go to set up something and the corner piece would be off a little bit, and it would line up over here weird, and everything's fine when it's in the starting out, but once you get away from it, it gets more out of whack. So the further you get away, the further out of distance it's going to be. So I just decided, hey, I'm going to sacrifice a row or 2 here, and we'll put a loft in there or something. So alright, so the next video that concerns this, it's not going to be the very next video, but the next video that concerns the skill garage will be painting and adding in accessories and all that kind of stuff. So, alright everyone, be good to people and people will be good to you. Thanks for watching. Ben, out.